Leaving Lethbridge right now. 10 to 4 in the morning. Let's go get ourselves a boat. All right, well, we welcome a new addition. Haven't come up with a name for it yet. Sweet jet boat. It's a double eagle made by A.D.M Boat Works out of Westminster, California. It's got a Panther jet drive, an AMC 360 engine. That looks like it's seen better days. I haven't tried to turn it over yet. Taking the valve covers off. They're actually pretty clean under there. So the thing I do like about this motor is it's got the water-cooled exhaust manifolds that would have come factory on this boat, and that's pretty rad, and they work with the through-hull exhaust. Downside is this motor's like seriously underpowered and it weighs a ton. So I'm really toying with the idea of throwing an LS in this thing. Seems to be the popular go-to for these type of boats. Inspired by Show Me Your Boat Hole on Instagram, and kind of watched that video, and here we are today. I've been eyeballing this thing and I had to go get it. Anyways, I'm super excited to get this thing together and toying with the idea of paint matching it to the Dodge. And what do you guys think? Anyways, let me know in the comments. Should we LS swap it? Should we paint match it to the Dodge? What should we do here? Anyway, Panther jet drive. Not nearly as sought after as the Berkeley's, but I don't know. Apparently they're pretty reliable, so probably leave that on there and just try to get her going and have some fun with this thing. Here we go again.